Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Life Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. I've got something really special to show you. This is the limited edition Bushcraft Challenge Coin, and I'm going to tell you how you can get them and how you can support this channel. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. Thanks. This Bushcraft Challenge coin is a limited edition coin, limited to 999 pieces worldwide, and was designed for the bushcraft and outdoor community. I designed this about 12 months ago and worked with my designer after I came up with the concept and the sketches, and then we got the actual coins casted and produced. I've actually been sitting on them for some time, and I wanted the right time and the right vehicle to launch them, and I think this is it. The original design features two distinct sides depicting core values and the principles of continuous learning and development of bushcraft skills. The goal was to create a coin that was visually striking yet meaningful to practitioners of bushcraft and outdoor exploration. The coin measures 40 millimeters in diameter and is made from solid brass with an antique silver finish for an aged and rugged appearance. Unlike other challenge coins made from a cheaper zinc alloy, solid brass coins have more heft and feel more expensive. The edges of the coin is also milled for a more confident grip and also more detailing and texturing. Let's have a closer look at each side of the coin. I call this side of the coin knowledge before gear, and that's what's printed on it. Bushcraft knowledge before gear. It promotes the importance of acquiring knowledge and skills before gear, and that's why we have the imagery of the fire, and on top of the fire with a billy can tied to a paracord with a jam knot. And the tools, the axes and the parang, they're actually placed in the background of the fire. And the whole idea is that the tools in the background represent the philosophy that gear should take a backseat to knowledge and skills for the outdoor environment. And the outdoor environment is represented by the leaves next to the axe. The circumference of both sides of the coin, as you can see right there, and on this side over here, it's jute rope. So the jute rope encircles the faces of both sides of the coin to represent cordage as an essential piece of bushcraft kit that holds everything together. I call this side of the coin Learn to Survive. It features a compass face designed to represent navigation and the guiding values of the challenge coin. Each cardinal point represents a core value in bushcraft: to learn, survive, adapt, and thrive in your environment. The tree in the coin center represents continued learning, growth, and connection with nature. You can also consider it the tree of knowledge. You notice right there, formed by the branches, is an infinity symbol. So that represents that learning is never ending. There are 12 stars on the coin, 3 at each diagonal side, and the 12 stars signify always reaching for the stars and trying one's best. The 12 stars also represent 12 months of the year as a reminder that learning is continuous year-long, year after year. And that's the breakdown of my original Bushcraft Challenge coin. If you'd like to get your hands on this and you'd like to support the channel, do check out the product in the card above or in the description, or head over to bashcraftgear.com where you can buy this coin as well as other merchandise featuring the knowledge before gear and learn to thrive messages. I've got a whole bunch of stuff from t-shirts, hats, and patches. And if you really like the content of this channel and like to support it, well, this is a way you can. Thanks for watching, and thanks in advance if you buy the coin. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon.